Today our topic is verb. Now, as you can see on your screen, verb is an action word. So, we know that verb is an action word, but it doesn't limit to action word. It stands for action also, being or existence, and possession. Now, let us try to find out in detail. As you can see here on your screen, it is written an action word, examples. So we know these are the words which have some kind of action, like draw, catch, kick, slip, drink, come, sing, dance, and etc. As on your right hand side of the screen, you can see a beautiful picture of an ant. Now this particular ant is doing an action. As the sentence is written, an ant crawls slowly. So here crawls is an action word because this ant is doing or performing an action, and that action is it is crawling. Let us take few more examples. As you can see on your screen, number one example is Rohit kicks the ball. So here boy or person named Rohit, he is doing an action, and that action is he is kicking the ball. Now let us look at the right hand side of our screen. Here it is written the girl is eating an ice cream. So this girl is also doing one action, and that action is she is eating. So we learn that verb is a word where there are some kind of action. Look at few more examples of verb. As you can see on your screen, run, play, read, write, jump, ride, and talk. So here, as we can see, the above pictures are doing some kind of action. So all these type of words which have action in itself is known as verb. So far we know that verb is an action word. As we have gone through the definition, and there we have found that verb is classified into three kinds, as doing verb, then we have being verb, and we have having verb. Now I'll take you back again to the definition, and we will try to find out what does it says. Now look here again. As our definition says that verb is an action word. An action is, I have put it or I have categorized into doing verb. Then we have being or existence, and being or existence I have categorized into being verb. Then we have possession verb, and this possession verb which I have categorized into number 3, that is having verb. So till here I believe that your concept is clear. Now look at the doing verb. Doing verb is also known as action verb. Examples, as you can see on your screen, it is do, study, walk, pluck, sing, and etc. So all these words are doing verb, which is also known as action verb. Now if you look at your right side of the screen, there you will see through this picture I have tried to explain to you. Like here example, you can see farmer work very hard. So here this word work is a doing verb. Now let us look at being verb. Being verb is also known as existence verb, which I have already explained to you. Now here examples are is, am, are, was, were, be, etc. As you can see, the example is taken, he is a superboy. So here word is a being verb. Now the final one is having verb. Having verb is also known as possession verb. As the examples you can see, words like have, has, had, having, etc. All these words will tell us that verb is in the form of having verb. Now you can see the example which is written, my friend have a red color car. So here have is a having verb. Now as I have explained to you about verb, and I tried to explain to you in a very simple way. Now let us find out verb in the following sentences. As you can see, number 1, Lata sings a song. So you keep your answer in mind. So as you already know, verb is an action word where there will be being or existence or possession. So these 4 words, if you keep in your mind, then it will be easy for you to find out verb. The number 2 example is, the girl plucks flowers. So answer, you just keep it in your mind. Then number 3, the children went to school. The number 4, we have, the shopkeeper sells books. And the final one, we have, the boy pushed him. So let us look at its answer and try to find out that whether you are correct, you have done it correctly, or you made a mistake. As you can see here, answers are displayed on the screen. Lata, so sings is a action word. The number 2, plucks. The number 3, went. Number 4, sells. And number 5, pushed. So these all are the verb or the action words. Now let us try to find out, or let us try to categorize the verb on the basis of doing, being, or having verb. As you can see on your screen, number 1, the man laughed at the poor. You just keep in your mind that answer, whether these in this sentence which one will be verb, and whether that verb will be doing verb, being verb, or having verb. Then number 2, we pray every day. The number 3, they are our relatives. The number 4, I have a Samsung mobile. Number 5, Modi is our prime minister. Then we have number 6, Akshay Kumar has a lot of money. So friends, I know that you have already selected answers and you have already categorized those answers, those verbs, into doing, being, or having. You just check it in the next screen. So laughed will be doing verb because the person is doing something, then pray again doing verb. Are is being verb. Have is having verb. Is being verb, and has is having verb. So friend, I believe that you all have understood, and I have tried my level best to make it easy for you to understand. If this video is beneficial to you, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.